Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a training manual in your inventory, and the PAL you want to train. Once done, open the PAL interaction menu and select Train. Make sure the manual matches the PAL's class. Choose the stat you want to raise, set duration, and accept the material or dollar cost. This triggers the training cycle. You'll see progress bars and time remaining. Note that some advanced manuals require crafting components, so prepare those before initiating long sessions. Once training is running, monitor progress in the training room or PAL UI. You can pause, speed up, or reassign manuals if needed. Use consumable food or temporary buffs to accelerate XP gain, but weigh the dollar or item cost. If training multiple PALs, stagger start times to free up the training room. Make sure not to swap manuals mid-boost unless you want to reset progress. This preserves desired trait growth and prevents lost resources. When training completes, collect the gains from the PAL UI, verify the stat increase and any newly unlocked skills or behaviors. Once collected, you can immediately reassign the PAL to tasks or start another manual, preferably an upgraded version for better results. If something goes wrong, like no progress, missing rewards, or UI freeze, reload the area, ensure the manual wasn't consumed twice, and restart the training session. If issues persist, try moving the PAL to a different training room slot before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.